everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Car.
And this is Mel.
Hey Car.
Hey Mel.
What's going on?
So this will probably look a little familiar. I've got, this is just like a mixing container.
Okay.
And I've cut a big old hole.
You did?
In the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then I put a piece of plastic on the top and I've wrapped just some tape all around the top here just to make sure that no air gets through.
And you made your own handle.
Yep. And I didn't have a handle, so I just made a really simple one out of tape.
Smart.
And so this is my fancy little homemade air cannon.
Oh!
See, I told you it was fancy.
It was.
But anyway, so this one's mine.
Okay.
But I have one
For me.
that I started for you.
Just for
and I'll
me.
give you a roll of tape too.
Okay.
And if you like this project as much as we did, you should check out our book here at hardwaresciencehawaii.com. This activity is out of the red volume. There's this activity. There's 24 more activities in this book that you can do at home using stuff from the hardware store, or from the garage, or the kitchen, or whatnot. Yep, you can go ahead and
get started.
Start taping up yours.
Okay.
Guys, if you liked this activity as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more content. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.